What makes you feel like you want to come this night market?
The food. The Malaysian food is so delicious.
Malaysia now and forever. Smiles on friendly faces. This land is beautiful. It steals your heart away.
Curry pop.
Curry pop.
Yes, yes. Famous in Wangsa Maju.
Said I should try curry pop. That is famous here in Wangsa Maju.
Yeah.
Curry pop. Let's try them. This is rich.
Satu hari di hari raya.
So let it fry for a while, huh? What's the name?
Huh?
What's the name?
Uda.
Uda. That's a lot. So one set is how much? I want to try. I want to buy one set.
One set.
Yeah.
Which one?
The chicken.
You
Oh, can you mix for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, then that would be nice then.
Okay.
You mix one set for me.
Zara, aku mix ayam. Like
Greetings everyone, Assalamu alaikum. It's another beautiful day here in the city of Kuala Lumpur, and today I'm right here at the longest Ramadan Bazaar in Kuala Lumpur. I've heard so much about this Ramadan Bazaar, so here I am to explore all the stores here at the Ramadan Bazaar, and let's see what we can grab. All the delicious food that I've been perceiving the aroma. So guys, come with me, let's do this. You know how we do it. Let's grab something for lunch, and afterward we have to review. Let's go. I'm right here at one of the stores here. I perceived some nice aroma from the shop, so I decided to stop over to grab something. All right. So it's called a nasi what?
ayam goreng kunyit.
Nasi ayam goreng punyet. So guys, let's try nasi ayam goreng punyet. Let's do it. Are you shy? So what's the name?
Zara.
Zara. Okay, nice to meet you, Zara. So what's the name of your food?
We call turmeric chicken. Turmeric chicken and turmeric with white rice.
With white rice.
In Malay, ayam kunyit.
Ayam punyet.
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right, so let's try ayam punyet.
Yes, ayam kunyit.
So is that like a sambal sauce or what?
Yeah, sambal and soy sauce.
Okay.
Ayam juga ada. Oh, ada. Yes, ayam mix. Okay.
You're looking so yummy and delicious. All right.
Of course, delicious.
Yeah, I can't wait to try it. So that will be how much?
11.
11, all right. I think I should try next.
Oh, nice.
Any good Malaysian famous food? Delicious to try.
Curry pop. Curry pop.
Curry pop.
Yes, yes. Famous in Wangsa Maju.
Okay, all right then, I'm going to try that.
Okay.
Where is the shop again?
Eh,
Over there. Okay, all right. Thank you. Okay, this is how it looks like.
Yes.
And then when it's ready, it's going to be like golden brown like that.
Yes.
That's cool. Nice. So how long is it going to take to fry?
Right.
5 minutes, 10 minutes to fry?
7 minutes.
7 minutes?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And then 7 minutes is ready.
Yes.
Salam alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay.
Yeah.
I received a recommendation from your shop, said I should try curry pop. That is famous here in Wangsa Maju.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which one is the best seller here among the snacks?
Curry puff with chicken and sardine.
Okay, let's have it. Mix it up for me.
Yes.
Yeah, can you mix it up? So what's the name?
Rahmat.
Nama.
Rahmat.
Rahmat. Okay.
5 pieces 10 minutes.
Okay, mix up for me.
Curry puff sardine.
Sardine, okay.
This beef
Okay.
and chicken.
All right.
This best seller.
Okay, bestseller. Give me the bestsellers.
So this 10 ringgit. Two chicken, two beef. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Same fry.
All right. Sure. Hope it's delicious.
Yeah, delicious.
Okay. Looking so delicious. What is the name?
Big Mac, spring roll.
Spring roll. What about this one?
This one will reduce spring roll.
Same.
Chicken beef.
Chicken beef.
This one is beef.
Which one is the best seller here?
Best seller Big Mac.
This one. Okay. So how much do you sell it?
3 pieces, 10 ringgit.
Okay. Let me have one. Any other nice Malaysian food I should try? Anyone?
Nasi lemak.
Did they have it here?
Where is it? Nasi lemak.
Here. Nasi lemak. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks, man.
Fried anchovy. And boiled egg, half boiled egg.
Okay.
And then we put the sambal. This is the sambal paste. Cooking with 4 hours.
Can you put more sambal for me?
Yeah, sure. More sambal.
Yeah, more sambal.
You like sambal?
Yeah.
Spicy?
Yeah, I like it spicy. All right.
Very thick sambal. 4 hours we cook.
That's good. That's good. That's good. I hope it's delicious, huh?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Let's go. All right. Thanks, man.
Nice. See you.
All right. See you. That's beef, huh? This one is from Otaba.
Yes, Bogotaba.
Mari kambing. Baba.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Pak, alhamdulillah.
Hello. Assalamualaikum.
Where you come from?
Yeah, I'm from Africa. All right, thank you. Let me have one.
Chicken beef.
Chicken. Yeah.
Singgah, tambah ayam daging.
All right. Terima kasih. I'm from Africa. I'm a YouTuber.
YouTube channel.
Houston World Travel. I've already bought a lot. So many things.
Yes, I know, but you don't buy at my shop.
Yeah, probably next time. Next time.
tomorrow
Okay.
you come.
All right.
Abang,
Thank you.
dia nak belikan abang makanan satu. Dia nak belikan abang makanan satu.
Nak makan?
Nak apa? Nak makan?
You want to makan?
Which one you want to makan? You come from which country?
I'm from Africa.
Come here for what?
Tourism.
Tourism. Okay? Okay, you pay for him?
Yeah, I'll pay for her.
Ingat bos, ingat ke? Mai tiga, bapak mai tiga.
All right, you're welcome.
Ya.
So, is that
Only
yeah?
7 ringgit.
7 ringgit. All right.
Very cheap and very nice.
All right, here we go.
Okay, have a nice day.
All right, you too. Bye. I like the colors. Hello.
Where you from, bro?
I'm from Africa. All right, bro. Terima kasih, huh? What is the name of the dish, huh?
Goreng pisang cheese.
Goreng pisang.
Banana cheese.
Banana cheese. What about this one?
Jujur udang. Jujur udang.
Rudang.
Brown.
How much is it?
8 ringgit.
Which one is the best seller here?
You want to try?
No, I want to buy. I want to buy.
Oh, okay. This is very delicious.
Very delicious.
Yes.
Okay.
Anyways, you want this or this?
Which one is nice?
This, bro.
All right, let me have it.
Welcome to Malaysia.
Is this beef?
This kan tabrik. Suatu
Okay.
bak tabrik.
What is the name of the food?
Green red.
Green rain. Fish. Just fish.
Only fish.
Only fish. What about this one?
Chicken.
This?
And then fish, coconut and chili. This one.
Which one is the best seller here?
Yes. Something best seller.
Which one? This or this?
Best seller.
Okay, how much?
One steak, 3 pieces, 5 ringgit.
Okay, let me have one set. So how do I eat it? Just like that, I open and eat.
You just open and eat.
Just open and eat. All right.
The leaf you don't want to eat.
Thanks, man. You want to buy also?
Yes.
So it's very delicious, is it?
Yes. This is Malay specialty food. Yes, sir.
Oh, that's a good one. All right, bro. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, man. ₱3. Okay, let me have one. Let me try.
Comment, brother.
Yeah?
Big tall guy.
What's the name of this?
It's a tofu fa.
Taufufa, okay. Delicious.
Delicious. It's a white sugar, it's a brown sugar.
Let me have brown sugar.
Brown sugar, one
Yeah, one.
Yang tu RM5 bang.
How much is it again?
250.
250. All right. What about this one here? What is this? This one is
It's a soya bean.
soya bean. How much is it?
This bottle or packet?
The bottle.
Bottle. Big RM8, small RM3.
Okay, let me have one.
Bottle.
No. The small, yeah, small bottle.
Small bottle.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, let me have one set. Let me have, yeah, 5 pieces, yeah.
Mix.
Okay, mix for me. Is it nice? Delicious?
Yeah.
Set up? Set up. Alright.
Spicy only.
Spicy. Very spicy. What is that one?
Fish.
Fish. Oh, okay. As you can see, I have so many food I've already bought. So you know how we do it. So let's go and try them out. Irresistible, delicious food from the vibrant street market here at Wangsa Maju Ramadan Bazaar. So many people, it's so packed. I think it's rush hour now. People are all rushing to grab their food for iftar. So finally I've made my way to get mine. So this is what we have for today. Something about Malaysia. Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yeah.
How selalu di hatiku.
Okay, anything Malaysia, just play for me.
What makes you feel like you want to come this night market?
The food.
The food.
Yeah, I love the food. The Malaysian food is so delicious. I went to a few Ramadan bazaars. I went to TTDI Ramadan Bazaar, Putrajaya, Shah. So here I am at Wangsa Maju. So I'm here to try the street food.
Any recommended food?
I don't know, I'm still asking. I should be asking you. You're a local, right? You should be telling me what to buy.
The previous food.
You know soap?
I bought Teflon Pelata and then Mutaba, Roti John, and then I can't remember the name. Yeah, it was delicious. So I keep coming for more. See, I have so many food I've already bought.
Where you came from?
I'm African. Yeah, so I'm a YouTuber just exploring Malaysia at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah, so you guys can also follow my YouTube channel,
Okay.
Houston World Travel.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you guys.
Enjoy.
All right. Bye. Yeah, well, finally I'm home now. It's time to try those food that I bought from Ramadan Bazaar Wangsa Maju. So guys, let's try them out. It's getting cold. Let's start with this soy milk. So I have my eyes already. So I just need to mix it up. Let it be cooling down. Let it chill. Wow. This is delicious. I like this one. I don't know the name, but it's yummy. Mix it up with the cream. The ice inside the soy milk, when you drink it, it's so refreshing. What else do we have on our list? Boom, something boom. It said it's not roti canai. It has something boom together with the name. I can't remember the name, but the guy said something about boom, something boom. See, I can't really remember. We'll have to eat it with the curry. This is the curry. It almost looks like roti canai or chapati, like almost like it. Mix it together with the sauce. There's no difference between roti canai and this. I can't taste any difference. I've tried roti canai. This is almost like roti canai too. So cute. Nicely wrapped. Nasi lemak. Let's try it. Wow. Nice nasi lemak. Let's go for it. Oh. Yeah, this one has a lot of sambar. I told the guy to put a lot of sambar. I like it. Mix it together with the eggs. The nasi lemak is nice. I like the sambar sauce and the way they wrap it with banana leaf. It gives it another extra flavor. Makes it more delicious. The nasi lemak is rich. When you chew it together with the fish, the anchovies is nice. It gives it another taste entirely. Murtaba again, I like murtaba. So the last time I bought the beef murtaba, today is the chicken one. So this is how it looks like. Call it. So let's try it. This is chicken murtaba from Wangsa Maju Ramadan Bazaar. Murtaba is delicious. I think I prefer the chicken murtaba to the beef murtaba. It's rich. Together with the soy. I saw this kit nasi lemak from one of the Malay ladies' shop. So, and the way she arranged it, so beautiful, well decorated and all that. So I decided to patronize to just buy one, even after buying the nasi lemak from the other shop. So let's try this one. It's about 3 ringgit. So okay, let's try it. Wow. Wrapped with banana leaf. Let's try this great flavor. Ooh. Wow. Let's try with the eggs and the fish. When you eat it together with the fish, it's a bit salty when you eat it together with the fish, but it's delicious. Basically, I can't sense any difference between this nasi lemak from the Malay lady and the other nasi lemak that I bought from the other guy's shop. Same taste, great taste, delicious. They have onion, flour, and then with onion they fried it together with the prawn. On the outside is a bit crispy, inside is soft and juicy. When you bite it, you can feel the taste of the onion and the flour with the oil. So mix it together with the sauce. Let's try it. The sauce is a bit sweet, so when you eat it together with the pancake, it's a very nice combination to try. I bought this, it says one of the traditional foods for Ramadan here in Malaysia. It was recommended by one of the vendors. So this is how it looks like. Looks like the Egyptian pyramid. Let's try it. It's wrapped together with the banana leaf. So cute. So this is how it looks like inside. I'm trying to figure it out. There's crayfish, and then I can taste the banana leaf, and then I can also taste chicken. Chicken and crayfish. Malaysia has so many different kind of traditional food, so many to try. Every day I keep discovering new ones. Every day I keep trying new ones too. Let's try this one. This one is one of those fried stuff. I told the guy to mix it, chicken and beef, so he mixed it up for me. Let's try it. Let's give it a bite. Join me. I like the crunchy sound from the outside. Inside has a beef. They fry the beef like dried fried beef. Soy milk. This is nice too. Tada. Look at this one. It looks like the game of squid. The stuff that they flip on the ground. And the game of squid. You flip it. So let's unbox it. Please tell me the names. The names of those food that I've tried. Please let me know in the comment section the names of the food that I've just tried. I don't know their names. They actually told me their names, but I can't remember. Wrapped with banana leaf on the outside. I think it's made with is it flour or what? So please tell me what is the name of this macan. Let me know in the comment section. I think they made it with sugar, maybe brown sugar. I can taste sugar, like brown sugar, and then I can taste coconut. They wrapped it up together with the sugar inside. I like the soy milk. This one is a curry pop. It was suggested that I should try the curry pop from Wangsa Maju. That Wangsa Maju sells the best curry pop in the whole of Kuala Lumpur. So let's try them. I told the guy to mix it up, chicken and beef. So let's try this one. This one is chicken. It's crispy on the outside, soft in the inside. I can taste the chicken and the potato mixed together. So when you chew it, it's crunchy. This is rich. Tada! Nasi something, I can't remember, but it had to do with nasi. Let me know the name on the comment section, please. She mixed it up together with the chicken and the beef. Vegetables, making it so colorful. And it looks rich too. Smells delicious. So let's try it. Let's give it a try. On the chicken side of it, let's try with the chicken. Mix it together with the vegetables. The lady said you have to eat it together with the sauce. The sauce looks like sambar sauce. Let me try it. Yeah, it's like sambar sauce, but it's not sambar. This one is more of chili. garlic. So let's try it. I like it. Delicious. Just a bit of the sauce. Spread it around. Pack it. I'm loving it. The dishes are delicious. You have different tastes, different flavors, different food. I enjoyed a good experience today at Ramadan Bazaar, Wangsa Maju. Basically, all the dishes that I tried here, they're all nice. This one, I thought it would taste different. I never knew it just seemed like roti canai, chapati. So, but great dishes. Nice. Wow. I feel good. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And please leave a comment. Let me know the name of those dishes that I tried on the comment section. Thank you. Terima kasih. Jumpa lagi.